Hi, my name is Victor Pack. I'm with PoEWit, and let me tell you about our PoE security light solution. What this product was designed to do was designed to add security lighting to any camera installation. So all of our products are pure networking products, and they all go over PoE, and they also go straight to the cloud. So this is a very typical setup that dealers have been using. This product right here is a 100-watt PoE injector, and from here it's going to our current OS1 security light. And this product also has PoE pass-through, has two PoE pass-throughs that's putting out 30 watts of power. So the first one goes to our PoE motion detection system, and then the second PoE output is going to a downstream light driver. And from this device also has two PoE pass-through outputs. One is going to the security camera to power it all back up. And then the other PoE pass-through is going to our wall switch. And what I want to point out here is this is all driven by one CAT cable run. So you got this whole security lighting system that is just driven by one Cat5 run. So a very typical application is they install enough of these motion detection to cover the whole property. And through our app, you associate these motion detection to any security light you want. So at dusk, they'll be very dim, the lights will be on a schedule, and everything will be on dim. And then when one of these motion detection trips on a property, all the security lights go full bright. And that will enable these security cameras to record in color rather than black and white. So thank you very much for listening.